Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel your Gap credit card. There are two different ways you can cancel your Gap credit card, so let's get to them one by one. The first way is by using phone. Simply go ahead and open a web browser of your choice and type in gap.com in the URL box. Doing this will take you to the official website for Gap. Once you get to the main homepage of Gap, go ahead and scroll all the way down and then click on the customer service option right under customer support. In the customer service page, go to the right hand side corner and you will be able to see toll-free numbers that you can call in order to cancel your credit card. Select if you are a member of Gap Good Rewards or World Mastercard under credit card and select the phone number according to your account type. Make a phone call on the number and then mention to the customer service representative that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Ensure that you've paid off your entire balance before closure. If your card offers reward, redeem them before closing the account. So once you are done with the phone call and you follow the instructions for the customer service representative, you will then be able to cancel your credit card. Another way to cancel your credit card is by chatting with the customer service representative. Click on chat or call under contact us and then you will be able to see this message icon at the bottom right. Simply give it a click and start a chat using this icon. Go ahead and select if you want to chat with an agent anonymously. Select the region for your chat. Enter that you'd like to cancel your credit card and click on chat now. You can also fill in your information, select your question from the general question or comment tab, and enter a description on why you are trying to contact the customer service representative. So those were some of the ways you can cancel your Gap credit card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Goodbye till then.